Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a project that's definitely on the more advanced side. Building your very own DIY electric coil gun. Now, I have to start with a huge disclaimer. This project involves high voltages and can be extremely dangerous. Please take all necessary safety precautions. And never, ever point this at anything or anyone. Got it? Good. So, what exactly is a coil gun? Also known as a Gauss rifle, it's a type of electromagnetic projectile accelerator. Instead of using explosives like a traditional firearm, it uses a series of electromagnets to launch a projectile. We're going to build a single-stage coil gun, which means we'll have one coil to accelerate our projectile. For this project, you'll need a few key components. First, you'll need a large capacitor. This will store the electrical energy we'll use to fire the projectile. Next, you'll need a coil of wire. This is the heart of the coil gun, where the magnetic field will be generated. You'll also need a switch to control the flow of electricity, and a non-conductive barrel to guide the projectile. Finally, you'll need a small, metal projectile to launch. Think about the potential dangers, especially with the capacitor and the high voltages involved. Safety is paramount here. Before you even think about starting this project, make sure you understand how capacitors work and how to safely discharge them. High voltage electricity can cause serious injury or even death. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes, and work in a well-ventilated area. Never touch any components while the capacitor is charged. And most importantly, always treat this project with the utmost respect. Let's get started. First, let's build the coil. Wrap your wire around a non-conductive form, like a PVC pipe. Make sure the wire is tightly wound and evenly spaced. This will be the electromagnet that accelerates the projectile. Next, connect the coil to the switch and the capacitor. Make sure the capacitor is properly connected, paying close attention to polarity. Once everything is wired up, you can start charging the capacitor. Use a safe charging method, and monitor the voltage carefully. Now, for the exciting part, firing the coil gun. Place the metal projectile inside the barrel, just in front of the coil. With all safety precautions in place, flip the switch. If everything is wired correctly, the capacitor will discharge through the coil, creating a strong magnetic field. This magnetic field will accelerate the projectile down the barrel. Keep in mind that the projectile can move at high speeds. Remember, this is a demonstration. I am not responsible for any injuries or damages resulting from this project. Building and using a coil gun can be dangerous, so proceed with extreme caution. Make sure you understand all the risks involved before attempting this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.